What you're looking at, it's a cargo cover for GT, 2000 GT. I got this from a junkyard because I have a 1993 and it came without it, meaning that when I bought it used, I didn't have it. So I found this. As you can see, it's not all together. It was really in bad shape. So I washed it, and as you can see, that's the roller with this part here. It was attached, so it was partially out, and I removed it, cleaned it up, and so later on I will put it back together. Also, as you can see, if I flip this over, we got some damage here, and I will have to sew this, put it back together, and then place it in the cargo compartment where it belongs. And I will show you the finished project when I'm about to put it in the cargo compartment. Okay, let's do this again. See? Yeah, that's good. All right, so now all I have to do is just put it back in the vehicle.